Question I was asked is how are cold starts on the AFD kit. So let's see. And there we go. Basically the same thing. So yeah, that's it. Smells wonderful. But today what we are going to be doing is picking up a couple parts from the dealership again, and I guess I'll unbox the KW pass kit, so you guys will see that now while I wait for the car to warm up. Give me a second to set the camera up and then we'll do it. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work. So these are just the instructions. Rear spring perch. Nice quality and everything. KW. These are the wrenches. Rear spring. I really like the KW colors, purple and yellow. It's a nice color. This is actually the accent color that I want throughout the car. Free game. Front. So here's the spring perch, and then here's the spring goes in, and then the bump stops are on the inside. So again, same yellow spring, just a little bigger, and then you just put this down. Wow, the E85 smells really good. But yeah, this, boom, it's a simple install. So I'm gonna see when I can get that done, because when I do this, then I'll be able to do the carbon aero, because I don't like the look of the carbon aero on stock height. It just looks like you're trying to be lip low, which is rice. So yeah, not really much to show. It's a simple spring install, little adjustable spring, whatever. So I have that. This is my first new KW product. I've had KW V2s wind. But yeah, I've had KW V2s on my E36, and I've driven an E36 on KW V1s and V3s. I'm trying to see what else I've driven. I drove Porsche Carrera, like it was like one of the 3-liter non-turbo ones. I don't remember what they're called. On KWV, I believe it was V1s, but it may have been V3s. Yeah, but I've driven a lot of coilover setups, and KWs are pretty good. I bought this one because I want to keep the EDC, so I'll be able to retain the EDC while getting some low on the car, and it doesn't go too low because I don't want this car to be dumped. And eventually I'm going to get, what do you call it? Oh, ladybug. But eventually I'm going to get, what do you call those things? Air cups. So when I actually go full low on the front, then I'll get air cups. So I'll be able to drive around pretty low all around and be able to have some clearance, because that's what I want to do on this car, get air cups. I was going to do the Fortunato kit, but I was just thinking, like, why not test something different? So yeah, KWs plus air cups plus EDC. That's like the 3 things all together, because I did not want to get rid of the EDC in this car. So yeah, I'll get the KW kit back in the car and have it ready to be installed, and then we'll be off to the BMW dealership. Also, my rod bearings are actually getting shipped out, so they should be here next week, and I'm going to be doing the rod bearings on the car this week. Well, next week. Cool. So yeah, because granted, the car drives fine, and it's possible that this had the rod bearings on, but it does not have anything documented, because it shows that this car has a new transmission, thermostat, and a bunch of maintenance on the electronics and blah blah blah, but it doesn't show rod bearings. So I'm just like, you know what, I didn't want to, and it's going to make the supercharger a little bit harder to get, having to spend close to $3 grand, but such is life. Just going to do it instead of having to find out the hard way and blow the engine up. So yeah, time to be off. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so I'm at Carb Chambers right now. There's actually another M3 right there, a sedan, an E90, but it's a one with the sunroof, which is pretty weird. I don't really see too much of those, but yeah, they have some pretty nice cars, like an M8 and some other stuff in there. I wonder if they have any other competition versions, you know, so I could go see some of my future dream cars and things like that, and put those on my vision board and envision them in my head, because that's literally what I do. Anytime I want something, I just put it in my mind and I get it. That's for the Skyline. Same thing for the E92 M3, for the E36 with the 6-speed. Like, literally, I envision everything and then I just put it in my head like I'm going to get it. So that's probably what I'll be doing for whatever the next car is, because I'm pretty sure that Dynan M4 is still here too, so I can definitely manifest that. Oh my god, yeah, see, look right there, M8. Not sure if that's a competition package, but definitely very nice nonetheless. Here's a M5. My god, there's a lot of nice cars out here today. Look at that, an M4 coming up right now. Beautiful color. My god, damn. Yeah, that thing is nice. I definitely want like a M4, M6, M8 competition, M2 competition, all that. Here's a 650i Grand Coupe. Nice. Like, there's so many nice cars, and the Dynan M4 is here. I really want to know what that is here for, because it's just been sitting there collecting dust. I believe they washed it now, but yeah, it's going inside. Alright, well, I stopped up here to see if they had any X6Ms or X6M competitions. They do not, but they have an X3M. Those things are pretty sick. That's actually one thing that I do like that BMW is doing. They're making a lot of M versions of these cars. Hopefully their performance is, you know, like a M type of thing too, but oh man, damn, that thing sounds good. It has a burble tune on that one. My god, that thing sounds nice as shit. I wish you guys, I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but that thing sounded nice as fuck. Had a nice burble tune on it. I'm not sure if that's, well, I'm not even sure if that's just the new cars that have it or what. I dropped a receipt, which I do need because I'm keeping all my gas receipts, so yeah. I really can't wait to do the exhaust on this car. I actually might order one today because I'm so amped for it. So yeah, I'll get you guys with whatever I do next. I forgot the wide angle lens, but I really want to know what to do with this car. Like right now, I'm more so leaning towards selling it, but then again I don't know, because it has a lot of good stuff on it. So it's just like I could most likely either sell the wheels or put them on this, and then sell maybe the stock wheels of this, I don't know, and then probably like supercharge this with like the basic Hyde Motorsports kit, so I won't need like a tune or anything. Literally you just bolt the kit on and you run it and it goes and it runs fine. But like I really do love this car. Like I really like it. So that's just like, maybe I could put it on the back burner for a while and then just leave it, because I already know that I'll most likely regret it after I sell it. So it's just like, I don't know what I want to do. So unless somebody gives me a good number for it, like if they give me a good number for it on the TEs, like 4,500 or something like that, I'll get rid of it. But yeah, and then that will go towards another car, because I do want to get another 7 Series, as I've mentioned, and do a, what do you call it, like a VIP build like I was gonna do before. But I want like the big body one, so I want like a 750 IL, and then I'll get some Godspeed coilovers for like $500 with some wheels, and then I'll leave it like that. Like those things really need nothing. Cat deletes as well, of course, just so you can hear a little bit of the V12 sound. They don't really make too much noise, but like I'm pretty sure if you got like a really expensive exhaust setup, they think those things will howl like a real V12 car. But yeah, this car for sure needs an alignment. Let me see. Yeah, the camber on this side looks like it's way more. Like, god damn. But yeah, this car really needs an alignment, and the toe looks way out. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure I'll just like fix this thing up little by little, and then throw like a FC14 supercharger on it, and then keep it for a little while or whatever. I don't know. Oh damn, that's a pretty decent sized spider. I don't want those phones, bro. You good? You got it. That's you. That's your wing spoiler now, my guy. You got it. Cool. It's your world. But yeah, oh yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Or I could also just keep it and use it for a daily, like fully strip the interior, throw some race seats on it and whatever. It's like I really don't need 2 fast cars, but then again, I'm stupid, so yeah. My other thing that I would like, my mind has really been stuck on it, is S54 swapping it, because it has the M3 transmission, so it's like, why not? But yeah, I really would consider that. Like if I could get an S54 for a good price, like $2,000 or $2,500 with everything, like a full long block and everything like that, no headers or anything like that, because I don't need that. But yeah, if I could get a full long block or whatever, like a full engine with the harness and ECU and everything, I would do the swap, and I'll most likely flip it, because S54 swap cars with a 5-speed sell for like 10 to 14 grand, so with the 6-speed it'll be even more. But yeah, that's where I'm at with it right now, because my main focus is the M3, because I love that car. And I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the last clip, but I bought my exhaust and the rod bearing kit, so I'd be getting the rod bearings done early next week, because the rod bearing should be here Tuesday, and then the exhaust should be here Tuesday or Wednesday. And the car's going to be dropped off Tuesday, I think Tuesday, and they're going to do the work Wednesday and Thursday, so I'd be getting it back like Thursday most likely. And I'm also going to see if I can like go over there and like record some of the you know, progress of it. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm about to edit it, upload it, and then with whatever else, I'll get to you guys in the next clip, because man, I don't know, this corona shit is annoying. But you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend if you like, and the most important thing, drink water, motherfuckers.